morning everyone. So this is the first session of biology of your 8th class. So in previous session I have told you different lessons you have in biology. So the first lesson in biology is what is science. So this lesson is not so important, like there are no questions in exam also from this lesson, but to give you the introduction, or like what is science, like from now onwards you have to do some you have some experiments, activities, how to carry on those. So to know those little things, I will tell you few basic things about the science. So you know what is science. So okay, science is all about organizing knowledge which is based upon the experiments. Like without doing experiment, we cannot know what is right or what is wrong. Okay, so as you have already studied in your lower classes, like how what are different diseases that are present, like how these diseases, how they are caused, what you also saw about food spoilage, how to preserve the food, or about the electricity, or about the wind cyclones. So these all are in one subject called science. So you know what is science. So why we have to study science? Because to know what we have to do, or to understand our lives, or understand our dependency on other organisms or other non-living things also. So the main thing in science is experiments. So doing experiments. So how we can do experiments? With questioning. The first thing in science is to question. Like if I am telling science is this, or biology is this, or physics is this, you have to know why it is. So if you have those questions, why, what and how, then you can find the answer to it. Okay, so if we are doing some experiment, why you are doing, what you are doing, how you are doing, so this is how the question should be raised. Okay, to know the answers, experiment should be done. To conduct the experiment, questioning should be there. So the main thing is questioning, then doing the experiment. So as I told you, so to conduct experiments, how scientists work, they like you do in class, the scientists cannot do in labs. So how scientists plan the work, that we will see here. So planning and investigation is nothing but the planning experiment. Okay, so to do the any experiment, you have to follow all the 5 steps. Okay, the first is observe and ask questions. Okay, so if you observe, like here, if it is given about the germination of seeds, so you already know about uh, germination of seeds. That means plant growing from the seeds. So why, how it is growing, what is helping it to grow, so those will be your questions. That will be your first step. Second step is form a hypothesis. Hypothesis is nothing but possible answer that can be tested. Like it can be like, if you sow seeds in the soil, this all the seeds can grow, or some may not grow. Okay, so that will be your hypothesis. Hypothesis is the possible answer that can be tested, if it is growing or not, you have to check that. Okay, so the third step is planning an experiment. So to conduct experiment, what planning you have to have, what are the materials you have to take, what is the play you have to take, you have to settle one place to conduct the experiment. You have to have um, all the things that are used for experiment. So you have to plan experiment in such a way. Okay, the water and light should be there, soil should be there, like different types of soil based on which seed you are taking. That all comes under planning an experiment. So fourth is conduct the experiment. So you have to conduct means you have to start doing the experiment. Okay, the fifth is draw conclusions and communicate results. So after you do experiment, after some few days or after few months, you will know what is the result you are getting. So you have to conclude it like this. If I am sowing 3 seeds, I have got only 2 plants. Or if I have sown 5 seeds, I have got 5 plants. So that all will be your observation and results and conclusion. So these 5 steps are very important in planning any experiment. So this is, as I told you, this is not so important for your exam point of view. So just look, if you have textbooks, just look at the lesson, or if you have workbooks with you, just read the keywords. Those all words will be repeated again in our further classes, further lessons. So you need not worry. So this is all there in what is science. So from next session, I will start the next lesson. Then those that is related to the subject. So now we have understood what is science, why we have to learn, what we have to learn in it, how experiments should be done. Those are all given in your textbooks also. If you have textbooks or workbook, just give a look to it, then you will understand.